Hi, my name is Vishal Kumar. I'm a software engineering graduate. I spent more than 20 years in software industry. I started my career as a research scientist for biometric security company. The technology was Java, and then I landed into gaming industry where I developed various game of different genres, including casino games. And the technology was HTML, JavaScript, ActionScript, and the backend was PHP and SQL. I also worked as a freelancer for various freelancing sites at that time. Example, the scriptlance.com, gatecoder.com, and catered various global clients in developing the front-end and the back-end solutions on HTML, JavaScript, and CSS as a front-end, and the back-end was on PHP and MySQL. Then I landed into big advertisement industry where I closely work with world top agencies like Ogilvy, TBWA, and Agency.com. And I closely work with them at their headquarters in New York, Dubai, Austin, and many places. I developed end-to-end ad publishing solutions for NBC Universal at their headquarters in New York. Then I landed into learning and training system where I got an opportunity to gamify the big learning management system for Wells Fargo Bank. The solution was on HTML, JavaScript, and ActionScript as a front end, and the backend was on Java. The similar solutions I provided for Bank of America and HSBC Bank in different contexts. The whole objective was to gamify their learning and training management system and having a custom CMS as a backend. I also provided various augmented and virtual reality game and application solutions for global client during that time. Then I decided to move and form a company as a founder. The whole objective was to provide a low-cost solutions to cater mid and small scale industry and companies to have an ability to access the latest and cutting-edge solutions in augmented and virtual reality platform. Primary industry was a medical industry and the learning industry. During 2017, I received a request from one of the product-based company, Digital Control Incorporation, to develop a training simulator for their locating product and its uses. That was in horizontal directional drilling domain. I took that responsibility as a challenge that required to form a software division for Asia Pacific region in New Delhi, India. I formed and set up a new office here, hired and mentored a team of different domain and technology. I joined that company as a chief software architect, though the responsibility was not to stick with the architect, but also the project manager, the people manager, and the developer and coder. I developed various simulations and training applications for that company. My recently developed commercial product is Aurora Vision, a gamified virtual reality training simulator. It offers personalized training in safe environment at very low cost. That was not the case before. It offers learn, practice, exam, and certificates with a personalized training assistant within the virtual environment blended with AI. The system been designed and developed based on the principle of learning by doing. This system rolled out at various geography with localization. The localizations are English, Spanish, French, and Chinese. This system consists of 3 different subsystems. First is a training simulator deployed on HTC Vive devices. Another is administrative, user management, and analytic tool. And third is microservices, API, and database on Azure platform. I developed the system with the help of 7 core team members that consist 2 engineers, 2 3D artists, designer, and testers. My role was a chief software architect as well as the project manager and coordinator with the counterpart at HQ that consists another 3 members were the subject matter expert, marketing, and the field service guy. As a chief software architect, I designed and developed a Aurora Vision framework, executed various POCs and prototype, and helped engineer to turn them into module and components. further integrated this entire system and deployed to the production environment. I also act as a project manager in handling and managing this entire project using various project management tools like Jira, Confluence, and the versioning tool as a purpose. I had also responsibility to coordinate and interact with the subject matter expert at headquarters in terms of understanding the requirement, understanding the products and its mechanisms, and integrating their IP. Also worked with the field service guy in terms of understanding the user base, do the persona research, and then based on that, designing this entire training system. Finally, set it up a support system after deployment this into the market. The support system being able to help various customer at different geography. From technology perspective, the front-end module being designed mainly on Unity Engine platform with C# scripting. There have been additional plugin and a component being developed on .NET framework. And the various tech being utilized for front-end. The administrative and analytic tool was developed on .NET platform with HTML, JavaScript, CSS. And it was offering various microservices over Azure. The database was Cosmos DB. Talking about my strength is believing in myself. If technology can do, then I can do. And that is why I took various challenging projects and received various recognition. The recognition for innovations, the recognition for best project, the recognition for made a difference, an award. I am here to help you developing a best possible solution for your business problems. Thank you.